Now, like I mentioned before in the previous video, we need to update a few things based on the reservation status. First, for example, in this reservation page, you can see that we got the review guest button, but we only show the review guest button if the reservation is approved, because we can't review a guest if this booking is still waiting or be declined. All right, so for example, we should hide this one if the status is declined, or you can say you only show the review guest if the reservation is approved. And same thing with your chip as well. We only display this one for approved reservation. All right, let's go back here and click F, view. It's gonna be reservation, your reservation, and that button. Let's go to this one. We only render this host form if this reservation dot approve it. All right, save the file, and we're going to do the same thing with your chip. This one, if chip approve it. Okay, now let's go here, hit refresh. Hey, look at this. Only approved reservation got the review host. And how about this? Beautiful. Next, remember that if you go into, let's say, a random rooms, if you hit the started, remember that we got a process to checking the reservation in the level 1. So we need to update this logic as well, because right now we just care about the reservation got stated is approved. All right, we don't care about those reservation declines or still waiting. So let's go back here, open controller, and let's say rooms controller. Let's go to the preloading. First, we're going to start with that one. So inside this condition, I'm going to make a bracket here, and I'm going to say and status equal something, and for that reason we say status equal 1. All right, so that's meaning we're going to get all the reservation got stated approved only, and that's for the preload. And then we're going to do the same thing for the conflict. Make a bracket here, and we say and status equal, and we pass the 1 here. All right, save the file. And we're going to do one more thing in the page controller. Remember, we got a search function, and in here, all right, we get only one bracket, and the other one here. Hit enter, and then we got and status equal question mark. So down here, just make commas and just pass the value 1. All right, hit save. That's it, very simple. Now we're gonna do a very quick test to confirm that what we just changed should work. So let's go back here and hit refresh. Now if we go here, this one is instant booking, so it's not a good example. Let's go to this one. All right, so this one is request booking. So let's say if I make a booking from 17 to 19, all right, and hit requests now. All right, so it just refresh. And now if you hit started, hey, can you see that? We just booked the reservation from 17 to 19, but this one doesn't show, which is correct because the status is still waiting. It's not approved. Now let me go to the database and hit refresh reservation. All right, this one is just the one that we just booked, 17 to 19. If we manually change this to 1, hit apply, right change, refresh this page, and now if you see, hey, look at this. So now it's count. All right, so now we confirm that it works. And it should work with the search function as well. So feel free to test yourself. Okay, the next task will be one of the more interesting features in this project, the calendar. And you will learn a lot more about this. I can't wait to see you there.